how much to invest, when to invest, should be my asset allocation strategy. All these questions will be asked. So when do we start investing? Earlier you start, the better. Typically in India, we start earning by mid-20s. We have some amount of money to invest in early 30s. So that's fine. You start early 30s, but wait for a longer period of time. How much to start with? Ideally, as much as you can invest from your earnings. Start small. As your income grows, you can increase that amount over a period of time. Save and invest more than spend. How do we invest? SIP is the best form of investing. You have a system where directly from your bank account to the mutual fund, the money goes. Every week or every month, you choose these 3 products: an income plus arbitrage fund, a 500 stock equity index fund, thirdly, a balanced advantage fund. We can add a PPF also if you wish to. How long to invest? Stay invested for a long period of time. This is for a long-term horizon. Do not panic and exit your investments based on market fluctuations. So how much do I allocate? Should be my allocation strategy? Where do I put my money, in which fund? That depends entirely on the investor, entirely on how much you want to invest. You can choose your allocation, but ideally to start off with 60 index equity fund, 20 in balance advantage fund, 20 in debt funds, or 60, 30, 10. Or if you are younger, then I would say 70, 15, 15. Definitely have at least 60% in equity, 20 in balanced advance, 20 in debt mutual fund. If you have this straightforward, simple, direct investment coming from your bank into these mutual funds, no need of any agent. However, if you have an agent, he can construct this investment basket for you. Your money will directly go into these funds. You will have an exposure to everything in the market. You can see the annualized returns. This is done through the weighted average kind of a return we have constructed. You will get a pretty decent return over a long period of time.